Hey guys, it's Haley again. We're back with...
Again? Haley, this is not that complicated.
Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Today we are running from Hurricane Barry.
We're going from Lafayette to Metairie, New Orleans. It is supposed to hit Lafayette tomorrow. So I left work early and Emily did not have work. So we...
I slept.
She slept while I worked. Yeah, that's usually how this relationship goes. She used to stay at home mom with Winnie. We are behind a really slow truck. And then we are in front of a really asshole truck. We don't know how this ride's gonna go, but we will keep you...
so bad.
Yeah, we will keep you guys updated. Emily's doing good though. She usually scares the living shit out of me, but...
Also, get up close. Okay, well now it's not
Hey guys, so we're on the actual flyer now and it is starting to rain. Barry's coming. He is trying to catch us. But there is this stupid freaking truck that was behind us and it finally passed us and we are so glad it is because Emily was going off on it. And we couldn't be mean though because he was wearing a military suit.
So he fights for our country.
So
I can't be mean.
thank you for that, but also learn how to freaking drive. Right over. Goodbye. Cars are still not knowing how to freaking drive.
But it's fine, because I know.
Yeah.
What?
So, we'll talk to you later. Bye.
Haley, don't vlog during this! This is so awkward. That's so awkward. Don't do it, Haley!
Watch out, vehicle stop. Shoulder ahead.
Look at that, that's so weird!
We made it to Emily safe and sound. And the wind is really starting to pick up. So Barry is still chasing after us. So let's hope he doesn't get in our house.
We're having a hurricane party, baby!
Woo!
I'm reporting live from Hurricane Barry. Not too windy. It was a little windy earlier. It's drizzling. Not raining too hard. I don't think Barry is here yet. It's been about 28 hours since he was reported to be here. I will update y'all when it gets windier and we will come out in the hurricane again. It is not quite time to eat your hurricane snacks yet, but we will update y'all when it is time. So make sure you stay strong and don't eat them quite yet. Because as you can see, Hurricane Barry is not with us right now.
Reporting live from Emily's backyard. It is very not that bad. Toby, Emily's dog, is just chilling, so he's not scared of Barry at all. I don't know why I'm wearing a raincoat because it's really not that rainy out here, but it's getting a little windy. It was really windy earlier. We thought we were gonna lose the roof. Hey guys, it's day number 2 of Hurricane Barry. So, we're currently watching the news and he's still not here. So, but we just ate breakfast and now we're just gonna wait on Barry. So,
We're barely surviving.
we're barely surviving. Okay, just kidding. Bye. Coming to you from Emily's backyard. Hurricane Barry is nowhere to be found. He is like a baby daddy. So it's a little rainy. I mean, a little cloudy. As you can see, the clouds are moving a little bit. So that might mean that Barry is coming or Barry's going away. It's really bad. This is really bad. This is storming. Hurricane Barry has come for us. It is getting us. This raincoat is not working. It's a little windy over here. The water is drowning me.
Why are you getting so far away? We're doing that in a different segment.
Okay. I really chose the wrong day to not wear a good rain jacket, but Hurricane Barry has made his arrival. And it is not a good one. He's very mad at us, obviously, because we were picking on him. And he wants to make sure that we drown. Just make sure you stay inside and grab your floaties just in case. You could go ahead and start on those hurricane snacks because it looks like Barry's making his way downtown. Alright, back to you, Emily.
Hey guys, reporting to you live from Hurricane Barry. It's really coming. It's storming over here. Not too much wind. It's getting harder as we speak. It's in my eye. Hurricane Barry is in my eye.
Alright guys, so we ran out of all of our hurricane snacks. So we are headed to Walgreens to get some more before Barry gets to us.
During the hurricane.
Well, yeah.
It's crazy outside, and we're risking it all to go get queso.
Yeah. So, wish us luck. See you later. Okay, guys, so we literally just came to Walgreens and they're not open, so we're gonna break in. But Walgreens sucks, so bye. So now we are at Target.
Luckily, they are open.
Yes, so we're gonna run in, get us some more snacky snacks, and then run back before Barry catches us. So we got this, Gushers, Fruit Roll-Ups, Scooby-Doo snacks, salsa, cheese dip, and then these cute things for corn for our apartment. Only $2. And this cute pineapple plate for our apartment, only $1. Just the necessities, you know, for Hurricane Barry. Hey guys, so we survived Hurricane Barry. We actually just got back to Lafayette, so we did we hit any more traffic? I slept the whole way, so I don't know.
No, we did not hit any traffic, and there's no damage, so.
At my work, there's like tree limbs everywhere, and I couldn't even park in my regular parking spot because of a big tree limb, so Barry got there. And if you live around here or if you were affected by Hurricane Barry, we send our condolences to you and your family and all of your loss.
Alright guys, I hope y'all liked our footage of Hurricane Barry. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.
And comment below with any cool stories from Hurricane Barry and tell us what you did during the crazy storm.
Basically the whole time that the hurricane was going on, we were being lazy and we ate a lot of hurricane snacks.
Basically, we just got fatter and we were gonna work out and everything, but we didn't. We just...
So now this week we are gonna work it off.
Yep.
Hopefully. We're gonna try to. Alright, bye.
Peace.